I'm here to talk about an important discussion: choosing the best way to improve my English. I considered three options: registering for a short-term course about taking a course at a prestigious local English center, or purchasing online course and application after careful thorough. I believe often talking English course at the Brentigrad Center in Country either Spreadier choice. My primary reason for choosing this path is a structured learning environment and high quality instruction. Like self study, reputable local center offer clear, systematic curriculum and consistent interaction with a person teacher, both native speaker and local expert. This ensures on first skill and develops system quality and provide immediate feedback instead from repair process. Secondly, this option offers great cost effectiveness and convenience. It's a significant cheaper than study abroad as a immediate the master course of travel, visa and foreign living in Spain. While the other options are tempting, they come with statistical drawback. Option 1 study abroad demand an enormous cost and logistical challenge. They're expensive for tuition, flight, and accommodation are prohibitive for many, and it requires a major long-term life interruption of 6 to 12 months. As portion 3 online course app. Its main weakness is the lack of compulsory structure and consistent motivation. Without a physical classroom setting a real-time resource, students often face high dropout rate and low accountability. More importantly, its drawing limit your live speaking practice, as interacting with an art cannot replicate the spontaneity and dynamic feedback of student conversation. Inclusion for someone seeking a highly effective, structured, and significant way to dramatically improve three English without disrupting the entire life. Studying at a prestigious local center provide the best blend of quality, convenience, and value. Thank you for listening.